Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to quickly show you how to find quality stocks, know exactly where to buy and sell, take profit, and get real-time alerts as little as 10 minutes without hiring or becoming an expert. This is going to be an awesome training, so please stay tuned. It's going to be super quick too because I know your time is valuable. Are you struggling to make money in the stock market? Having a hard time finding stocks that consistently beat the market? Or are you tired of watching the screen 24/7 and feeling overwhelmed? I guarantee you are having a hard time because of one of these three reasons. You don't know what stocks to buy. You don't know where to buy the stocks, or your system isn't automated. If you relate to any of these reasons that I just mentioned, then you're in luck. The Impeccable stock software can solve all these problems, and I'll explain how in this short video. If you are still wondering if this software is for you, here's a quick story. When I started in this stock market over 4 years ago, I almost blew up my account multiple times, and I was on an emotional roller coaster. I was struggling because I wanted to gain my parents' and friends' approval. I wanted to become a successful person who people could look up to, but deep down, I felt like a failure because I was constantly losing money. One day it all changed when I discovered trend following, and I'll explain more on this later. That's when everything changed. I went from struggling to find stocks to finding high quality stocks in minutes. I also went from struggling to make money to consistently making 25% a year without second guessing or worrying. Not only that, I figured out a way to automate it so I could live my life without having to watch stocks 24/7. Anyway, I'm not a big fan of wasting time, so let's jump straight into it right now. I created a method called trend investing, which I will cover in a moment. The total traders really are who started this trend following, trend trading thing, right? So basically what happened was there was this elite group of traders, manned by this guy called Richard Dennis. Basically, he had this hypothesis. He said, I bet I can take people who know nothing about the stock market and turn them into successful traders by teaching them how to follow the trend. That's basically all they were doing. And here's a sample of his ad that he put out back in the 1980s, 1984 to be more specific, where he said, hey, I don't care if you don't have experience, just come and I will teach you how to be a profitable investor. So later on, you can see that they went on to have books written about them to achieving great success, with even some of them achieving 200% returns in their first year. And it's so amazing to see how you can take someone who knows nothing and help them make tremendous returns just by teaching them how to follow the trend. And that's exactly what we're doing here today. As you can see here, the average breakdown wins, and it's just incredible the results they saw just by following the trend. And following the trend is the same concept that works today because it's all about market psychology, and that doesn't change. So before I jump into some more of the training, I have to say the results are not typical. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. I'm not a registered financial advisor, and blah, 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 blah. You can read that and agree to it if we keep watching, right? So here are some of the recent top callouts from this trend following strategy, right? Plug up 162%, Workhorse up to 160%. The total of all these stocks returned from an alert that I sent out on March 26th, over 804% return there. And it's just amazing, guys. So many results like this, all based on following the trend, and I'll show you how in this video. The secret number one, the number one reason why you aren't making money is your strategy. It's that easy, right? The old way of investing and trading before trend following was quite unbearable. You had to stare at multiple stock charts, track everything, get overwhelmed, lose money, want to pull your hair out and quit. Guys, look, this was my old morning routine. 6:30 a.m., wake up, again, on Central Standard Time. 6:45, read through the news. 7, check on my stocks and find new ones. Make a plan for the day, adjust plan as stock moves. 8:30, market open. Hope my plan was right that I made, even though it was really all guessing, because who knows what the market will do. And then 8:30 to market closes. Watch all my stocks because I'm fearing that they're going to go against me and I'm going to lose a lot of money. So basically what this led to was me being tired and frustrated and just on an emotional roller coaster every single day because the stock market, for some reason, never listened to me. I would always tell my friends, well, if you want to be successful in the market, just do the opposite of what I'm doing, right? Because every time I bought a stock, it crashed and it was terrible. It was the worst feeling ever that I was losing money that I worked so hard to make. And so that was the old system. And the result of that old system was this. I nearly blew up up my account. I was being tired all the time because of constantly watching stock charts and waking up early. Guys, your body is just not meant to stare at screens all day and worry. Also, I was burning out because I was tired of guessing and not knowing the direction that the stock was going for sure. All right, so the new way. Here is my new morning routine with trend investing, with this trend following system. 8 a.m. I wake up, 8:15 I make tea and coffee, 8:30 I look at the market and adjust stops for 5 minutes, and then I'm good the rest of the day because my system is automated. If I ever need to come back to the chart, I will receive an email, I will receive an alert, so there's no need for me to worry or stress because I will get alerted when I need to know something more about the stock. So the results with this new system, I now make 25% every single year, and half the time with little to no stress. I am buying home run stocks before they explode. Plug, Workhorse, Tesla, all these great examples of stocks that exploded after they were alerted as a buy with this system. And no more doubting myself because I know exactly where to buy and sell, and have statistics on my side, right? So the proof backtest, right? Backtests in the stock market are very reliable because there's one place in the world where history actively repeats itself. It's the stock market. All right, here is a backtest that I did over SPY with the software here. You can see that over 11 years, it generated a 350% return, which is roughly a 30% return every year, and that's something amazing to see. Also, Plug here up 162%, Workhorse up to 60. These stocks that were called out, knowing how to buy the best dip buy, knowing exactly when to get in after a stock crash, so that you know that when you get in, the stock market won't crash any further. That is a system all set up in the Impeccable stock software where it sends you emails when a stock on your watch list is the perfect dip buy, just like we had here back in March of 2020. I guess we're currently still in 2020. But as you can see here, the stocks that I alerted on March 26th, AMT up 23%, 20%, 17, 32, 95%. Look, this stock up 30, up 30, up 10, up 130%, up 95%, up 84%. All these amazing returns that you can make without guessing, worrying, or stressing. You just know exactly when to buy and sell based on the strategy. So here are my students, guys. You don't have to take my word for it. VAG says here, you've helped me so much so far this month. I made a return of 11.6% with your trend strategy. Most people don't even make that in a year, guys. That's so true. The average return, if you just buy and hold, which is perfectly fine, is 7% a year, and he made 11.6% in 1 month, and he's not even a heavy risk person. Like, you don't have to like risk. I personally hate risk. If you see my risk profile, I literally get the low risk score every time because I hate losing risk, and yet I use this to make money in a safe and reliable way. Yes, said, thanks for teaching us. Most people are scammers these days. You're a real one though, and I really appreciate that comment. Don't just take my word for it though. Like, the Amazing Ninja, my account is over 300% up right now. That's amazing. Absolutely loving Shopify, Microsoft right now. Learning so much from the trending band and stop limits. Should clear $200 profit today. Thank you so much. Austin, how do I get the trending band indicator? I want to use this system. Guys, it's the Impeccable investor software, the Impeccable stock software. You can sign up right now by clicking the link below, and you get instant access to this. It'll show you exactly where to buy and sell based on the trending band and indicator and elite trend following system, and so much more, like your like where to place your stop loss, what the risk to reward is, what is the accuracy that you can actually make money on this stock based on the historical stuff. It shows you everything with a single click of a button. Imagine how easy that is. No more reading through numerous financial reports. No more having to sift through news, look at stock charts. You just click the button and you know. Here is your answer, guys. It's the Impeccable stock software. This means you can know when to buy and sell based on statistics and a proven hedge fund level strategy that has been working for decades. Again, this is all based around market psychology, which has never changed. All right, this is what it looks like. Very simple. Buy range, take profit, stop loss, all this, and a description that tells you everything you've ever wanted to know. And it sounds like a human, not a robot, so that's awesome. But Austin, can I use this on any device? Computer, phone, tablet, TV, whatever. still can I use the chart if I want? Like, Austin, that's cool, but I still like to use the chart sometimes. Or can I trust this software? Well, let me answer those questions for you right here. Yes, I made sure that this website, this software was functional on all devices, whether it's your iPhone, a tiny iPhone, a big iPhone, a Samsung, right, a tablet, an iPad, a computer, a laptop, a smart TV, anything with internet access can view this website and use it. Can I use the chart if I want? Yes, you can actually add lines to your chart. You can add candlestick charts. You can add lines and all that amazing stuff to this software. So that's awesome. And again, if you sign up for the yearly plan, then this trending band indicator that we've been talking about, you can actually use on TradingView for more advanced charting, but we'll get into that later. Can I trust this software? Yes, I am using this software myself. So the standards are high and has been tested numerous times. Guys, my students and I have been using the software to generate great returns, and they have been my beta students. I have been a beta student because this is what I will use and have been using for about a month now, every single day. So I am in it. I use it. I love it. I make decisions based off of it. So guys, the standards is high, and I can tell you, you will love it. But that's not all. The Impeccable stock software also has a personalized portfolio creator. For those who be like, Austin, I don't know what stocks I should buy. I struggle. I have a hard time finding stocks that consistently beat the market. Well, this way, look, all you have to do is take a simple, short 10-question quiz, and then it will spit out a list of the best stocks that you should be buying that, one, are based on your risk profile, and two, have consistently beat the market. And so it's going to be amazing because those will also be updated weekly so that you can continue to find more and more stocks. All right, so because of the portfolio creator that makes the best portfolio for you, you no longer have to pay $200 an hour for a personal stock recommendation from a financial advisor. No more. Guessing if the stocks you bought will make you money because these have consistently beat the market, and spending hours trying to find stocks just to lose money, right? You no longer have to spend time. Just take this quiz and get a bunch of stocks recommended to you. Examples of buying the right stocks. Here are my students who learn the same system that I'm recommending stocks, like based on the portfolio creator. These are the same stocks that they're using, and they're generating returns on all their stocks because they're finding that, look, 13%, 5%, 77%, that is options though, so that is a bit leveraged, that it works when you're using the right stocks with the right system, up 27%. It's all about being able to buy the right stocks and having the right system. Look, this is my student from England. He made 31% on PayPal during the pandemic. That's insane and something that literally should not be overlooked. He's making money while the rest of the market is basically losing. All right, guys, remember, like I said, the key solution here is to have the analyzer, the portfolio creator, and everything to know when and where to buy the best stocks. So this is knowing having the right stocks plus the right strategy is where you can get this 804% return. All right, how much time and energy does this require? The software I just created will do all of this that I just mentioned for you literally in less than a minute. You click a button, it loads, and it gives you everything you need based on your risk tolerance level. So guys, it literally cuts the time in half. It used to take me 2 hours to analyze the stock in depth by running all the numbers on it, all the data, and now this software legit does it in like less than a minute, and that's why I'm using this software every day, because it makes my life easier. All right, not only that, it only costs less than $1 a day. Like, it costs less than a dollar a day, especially when you sign up today, and it's actually more like 50 cents a day if you sign up, or more like 75 cents a day if you sign up for the yearly plan, because you get more of a discount, but I'll explain that more later. But that's not all, guys. Not only can you find the best stocks for you, not only can you know exactly where to buy and sell, but this also has a training series called Stockflix, which is stocks plus Netflix, and it's awesome. So it has a lot of training videos that I made specifically for Stockflix. It also covers a lot of videos that I made for past courses that I sold. So this literally has over $1,000 worth of training value in it. And I also have other top industry professionals like CPAs, banks, and all that making videos for this as well. So you'll love it. But again, that's not all. You can also chat with others in a private community group group chat, consisting purely of people who are using the software, which means that you can talk with others about the stocks you like, about how they're using the software, about stocks they're finding, and it's just going to build a great community because in order to succeed, you need people behind you. All right, so what is happening here? I know the market can be scary. Picking the right stocks can be hard, and constantly watching the market can be draining. Once you sign up for the Impeccable stock software, I want to make it virtually impossible for you to fail. I want to make it super easy for you to make money and protect your account. Guys, look, here's what they're saying. Austin, the stock analyzer at the gym, and you're definitely going to want to use it before making any investment. The analyzer on a stock, it's pretty cool. It literally does all the thinking for you, which is so true. I'm in. Okay, I love. Okay, first off, the site is awesome with 3 exclamation points. I love how the comments are not robot-like and are one-liner. It's as if I got an instant reply from you here. Guys, how awesome would it be to have me with you when you look at every stock? To have me comment on that stock and be like, I think this stock is good because of XYZ, or I think the stock is bad because of XYZ, or this stock on your portfolio you should be careful about because I have a feeling this will happen. Well, that's literally what this software does in the short description. Like, it sounds like I am talking straight to you, and it's awesome. So while the analyzer is awesome, this is a game changer for sure, and I totally agree. The stock analyzer is great. It almost feels like that you're online and taking your time to analyze the stock. So guys, these students who first tested this thought that I was manually typing in and giving them their answers, because that's how it feels. That's how personalized it feels, right? This software does what used to take hours and now does it in seconds, and sends you alerts so you stay up to date on everything. So what are you going to get if you purchase the Impeccable stock software today? You're going to get the analyzer, which shows you exactly where to buy, sell, your risk to reward, similar stocks that perform the same as the stock that you searched up, which can help you find more amazing stocks, and more, literally a $5,000 value based on what financial advisors are charging to do this for. And you also have the portfolio creator. Guys, it literally, I did a search online, and it literally costs financial advisors $3,000 to put a personalized portfolio together for you. So you get that instantly. You also get a custom watch list feature, which means you can add stocks to your watch list and receive instant email and in-app notifications about that. You also get real-time alerts, as just mentioned. You get the Stock Flicks video training series library. So for those who are like, okay, so that's really cool, but I want to learn more about the trending band system. I want to learn more about how and why stocks move. I want to learn how to pick the best stocks and more. That is all there for you. And other awesome features like popular stocks, advanced charting features, and so much more is all there for you. The total value of $8,000, guys, literally $8,000 worth of value. And I can tell you it has literally cost us about $12,000 just to build this software, not even talking about maintenance cost. So the fact, let me actually just explain more here. So other softwares like this, and I put quotes around like, because there is nothing else out there like this software, but other things like it, right? We're looking at around $900 a year, or $90 a month, right? You can see here those prices. I personally think it's a good deal at $900 a year. I really do think that, like, our software is definitely worth that, because I believe it's better than all those other things, especially for the returns and the safety that it gives you. But after this week of opening, which means after September 30th, this software will cost $670 a month, or $67 a month. Okay. But because you are watching this for the first time and you are taking advantage within the first week, which is, again, before November 30th, you are getting a founding members discount. You will be one of my founding members, aka outside of beta testers, the first people to ever get access to this software. And you can get started now for the yearly plan of $297, which saves you over $300, or monthly at $27 saves you $40 a month. Guys, what's amazing is this is so freaking cheap, and it's going to give you some amazing benefits to help you, one, increase your returns, protect your money, and give you more education. Guys, so the yearly plan is $297 and the monthly is $27. Remember, this is no contract. You can cancel anytime, so don't worry about being stuck. Also, but wait, before you sign up, let me explain each plan. So here we go. The monthly plan, we have again the stock analyzer, unlimited searches, the personal portfolio creator, the custom watch list. You get up to 10 stocks, where we will be increasing that soon. Real-time email stock alerts. You get access to stock flicks, the private community group chat, and a 24/7 knowledge-based support. For the yearly plan, you get again the analyzer, the personal portfolio creator, the custom watch list, which contains up to 20 stocks, which is double the monthly plan. You get real-time email alerts. You get access to stock flicks, the private community group chat. You also get priority chats support, so you can chat with me. You also get to beta test new features before they come out. And guys, I'm so excited about this because I'm going to constantly be improving the software, and some of the stuff that's coming is a stock screener, so you'll be able to search for stocks that are in a particular buy range, stocks that are a recommended buy, and a certain price range, and all this stuff that's coming soon. Text alerts are coming out as well, and so much more, like track my portfolio, so you can track my portfolio, Buffett's, etc. That's coming, and you'll be able to beta test that before anyone else. You also get access to the trending band on TradingView. So yes, the trending band by default is already in the software, but if you want more advanced features, like you want to look at the 1 minute chart and other stuff like that, you can take the trending band onto TradingView, but that's for more advanced people, more like day traders. All right, guys, if you want to sign up now for the Impeccable stock software and get the amazing founding member discount, 43% off, make sure you click the link below. Remember, this offer goes away November 30th. Thank you so much for listening to this training. I hope it helps. Can't wait to see you inside the software.